Welcome to Wallace Tech, and this is the HONOR X9a, Honor's newest device to arrive in the country this January. Let's unbox it. Here we have the phone itself, a TPU case, some documents, a SIM ejector tool, the charging brick, and a Type-C data and charging cable. The HONOR X9a takes design cues from the HONOR 75G with a curved 6.67-inch AMOLED display and a triple rear camera setup at the back. This is the emerald green color, by the way, one of the two color options aside from the titanium silver colorway. Let's look at the sides. The bottom has the dual SIM card tray slot, the microphone, the Type-C port, and the loudspeaker grill. The phone is sleek when seen at the sides with the power and volume buttons all up the right. The noise-canceling microphone and the IR blaster is seen at the top. This phone is also said to have a very tough screen, which we tested by dropping it. True enough, it did not have any scratches, as HONOR claims it can survive damage for up to 5 feet. More on this device at wallacetech.com on January 19 when HONOR unveils more of the phone in their grand launch.